Hello everyone. Today we are doing next exercise of integer. Our next exercise is exercise 6.3, but before that just recapitulate whatever we have done earlier in the last exercises. As we have done about the like integers and unlike integers. As it is written here, when you have two positive numbers, when you have two positive numbers or two negative integers or numbers, then what will you do? When two numbers having same sign, then we will say both are like integers. So whenever you have addition of like integers, you have to just add the numbers. As plus 3 plus 2, answer would be plus 5. As minus 2 and minus 1, you want to add these two numbers, so answer would be 3 but with negative sign. As it is written here, you have to add when you have two negative numbers and you have two positive numbers, but answer will take minus sign. In this case, minus 2 and minus 1, answer would be negative. You can do these questions as it is written on the box. Find the answers of the following additions. So you have to practice these questions. You have to do these questions in the notebook. These are just example of like integers as minus 11 and minus 12. You have to add these two negative integers. So answer would be minus 23. Same in the next, plus 10 plus 4. Two like integers you have to add. So answer would be plus 14 because both are of same sign. You have to do these questions in the notebook. It was about the like integers, addition of like integers. Now next is when you have one positive and one negative integer, then what will you do? As I have this minus 7 and plus 8, I am taking first example of this. Minus 7 and plus 8 both are unlike integers because both have opposite signs. So what would be the answer? In this case, you have to subtract. As you have done unlike integer says subtract. Just subtract these numbers. 8 minus 7 would be 1. In the next one, 13 and 9 both are unlike. Unlike integer says subtract. So 13 minus 9, that would be 4. But be careful about the sign at the end. Which sign you will put in the answer? As I told you earlier, the sign you have to take whatever sign with the negative, whatever sign is with bigger number. As 8 and 7, we know 8 is bigger and 8 is with positive sign. So answer would be plus 1. As in this case, minus 9 plus 13. Both are unlike. We are saying answer would be 4, but answer would be plus 4 because 13 is bigger and with positive sign. So answer would be plus 4. Now come to the next, plus 7 minus 10. Both are unlike. Unlike says subtract. So 10 minus 7, I know 3. But which sign will come? Negative sign will come because 10 is bigger with negative sign. Be careful about the sign whenever you are talking about like integers or unlike integers. You know, like integer says add and unlike integer says subtract. Okay, so you have to try these questions also. You have to do these questions in the notebook. Next question I am taking A part 72 minus 90. It is exercise question. It is question number 1, B part of exercise 6.3. 72 minus 90. 72 is with plus sign and 90 is with only one sign is there. 90 is with negative sign. So how I will write? I will write it as 72 minus 90. Now before starting any operation, first check, are they like or unlike? These are unlike, and unlike says subtract. So subtract both the numbers, and which sign will come? Negative sign will come, because 90 is bigger with negative sign. So you will write answer is minus 18. 90 minus 72 is 18, and answer would be minus 18, because 90 is bigger number and with negative sign. Next question is minus 15 minus of minus 18. Now you are thinking, ma'am, minus and minus both are coming together. I told you in the last video, you will not consider these two signs together. If plus and minus two signs are coming with one single number, you will take negative sign, because in plus and minus, who will win? Negative sign will win. But in this case, two negative sign are here. Negative of negative, that would be positive. So it would become minus 15 plus 18. Again, before starting any calculation, I will check these are like or unlike. These are unlike. Unlike says subtract. So answer would be 3. But with which sign? Yes, plus sign, because 18 is bigger with plus sign. So answer would be plus 3. Next question is 23 minus of minus 12. Again, minus of minus is plus. So it will reduce to 23 plus 12. Both are like integer says, just add the numbers. That would be 35. Next, I am taking exercise 6.3, question number 4, A part. Now you have more than two numbers. Don't worry in this case. Just do the calculation step by steps. As in this case, minus 7 is in the bracket. First step, you will remove the bracket. Minus 7 will come as it is. Minus 8 as it is. Now minus of minus is coming. It will reduce to plus 25. So you have minus 7, minus 8, plus 25. Now you have to operate which two integers first. Now I am taking minus 7 and minus 8, these two numbers first. As I can see, both are like integers. Minus 7 and minus 8 both are like integers, as they have same sign. And like integer says plus. 8 plus 7 would be 15. But which sign will come? Minus sign will come, because 8 is bigger with negative sign. So it minus 7 minus 8 would be minus 15. In place of minus 7 minus 8, I have written minus 15. Plus 25 will come down as it is. Now again think about like or unlike. These are unlike. Unlike integer says subtract. Just subtract both the numbers and put the sign of bigger number. So answer would be plus 10. Now question number 4, C part. Minus 7 plus of minus 8 plus of minus 90. Minus 7 will come down as it is. 8 is with two signs, plus and minus. So who will win? Of course, minus will win. So minus 7 minus 8, again in this case minus 90. Now you have to club these. I can take advantage of all three minus signs. Minus 90, minus 8, minus 7. So all these numbers are with same sign, means all are like integers. And like integer says add. Just add all the numbers. 90 plus 8 plus 7. Then you will get 105. And which sign will come? negative sign will come, because out of these 90 is bigger with negative sign. So I will put minus 105. Next question is, it is question number 4D part. Just do the calculation step by step. You know the rules now, how to do the calculation. Before that, before starting calculation, just think about like integers or unlike integers. As in this, first step is remove the bracket, and I will not consider 2 sign with a number. So reduce the sign, minus of minus, now all of you know it will reduce to plus. Same in another case, minus of minus 2, that would be plus 2. Now my question is reduced to this. In this step, I have reduced to one sign and I have removed the bracket also. Now I have all positive signs. So I will add the integers because all are like integers. So answer would be plus 92. So you have to complete question number 1 all the parts and question number 4 all the parts in the notebook. Now I am taking one more example. Just think about it. If question is coming like this, I am not giving the expression like this as in this above question. I'm not giving expression like this. In this question, you have to first make the expression what we want to say, what we want to ask. As in this, subtract minus 10 from 56. How will you do it? Think about it. As you know how to make the expression in the question of subtraction, the number written after from we have to write first. So from 56, I will write 56 first. Subtract word is written, means I have to put minus sign. So I will make the expression like this. Observe this how I have written. From 56 means from 56 I have to subtract. Subtract means minus sign. I have put minus sign. Which number we want to subtract? What is given? Which number we want to subtract? Minus 10. So I will put minus sign. Minus 10 I will write in the bracket. Whatever we want to subtract. Okay. Now it is simpler question as it was question number 1 of this exercise. Now you know the rule. Minus and minus would be plus. So it would be 56 plus 10. And both are like integers. So just you have to add. So answer would be 66. So you have to revise these questions. You have to practice these questions very carefully. Do lot of practice because integer chapter will come in class 7 also. So it is just base of class 7 integers. Do lot of practice. I hope you have understood. Rest of the questions we will do in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.